Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want your Garmin workouts in Apple Health. So you were basically wondering on how to actually connect the Garmin Connect app to Apple Health in 2026. So you can access all of them basically features and data on your iPhone directly to their app called basically Apple Health. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, to start all of this, we have actually two ways to connect. We're gonna talk about like two paths, use whichever works. So first and first, from Apple Health itself, go all the way and open Apple Health. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then tap Apps and Services. Then find the app Connect or Garmin Connect. Toggle on the basically categories you want, such as active, energy, workout, steps, basically etc. It depends. As for the patch B from Garmin Connect, all you're gonna do is open your app, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, all the way to log in using your email address and password. Now, all the way to tap through this three-dot menu or more, then go all the way through settings, then tap on connected apps. Well, here you should be able to see which data Garmin can share, then tap allow with basically connecting it with Apple Health. So as for the priority setting, to make Garmin your primary step source, in Apple Health just tap steps, data and sources and access, tap on edit, then drag the Garmin to the top. After this, make sure you save it and it's done. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.